Good morning, everybody. Come on. Going for a walk this morning. It's about 26 degrees up here in northern Maine. We're getting some nice blue skies today with some fluffy clouds, and the sun's coming up right over there. Little ice on the path here, but that's okay. Some birch trees. Pines, and yours truly, Andrew, with the Hiking Druid channel. Isn't it an exciting time to be alive, folks? I mean, there's so much stuff going on. Banks flip-flopping and collapsing, systems collapsing along with it. The truth about the bunkers, the kids, the party drugs, the bloody mess they've made of it. And yet here we are. We can go out, observe the God flow. The boisterous crow songs. There's woodpeckers too. I hear them back there. Beautiful day to get out the door, enjoy some fresh air. You have to keep your mind clear. Your immune system strong. Keep growing. Stay in the God flowing. Share what you're learning. Share what you're knowing. And stop and listen. Listen. There's the woodpecker, crows. They set up a rhythm. The sparrows. We have chickadees that winter up here. Some little sparrows. Woodpeckers stay, and some crows. Some crows go south. Some ducks. There's some mallards that stay around here, as well as lots of them that leave. And the Canada geese, they all go for the winter. They head south. So let's see. Remember a couple videos ago I was talking about the wind rustling through the leaves that stay on the trees? There's some. Those might be little beech trees, I think. See the tan leaves there? And then there's an oak. There's a little oak in the front. And then over to the right, there's more. Those tan leaves, I think they're beech. Big old birch tree there. See? It's good. It's good to get out here and get some fresh air. So, I get out here whether it's cold, warm, raining, icy, doesn't matter. You can navigate. Put on extra layers if it's extra cold. Ducks. Hear the ducks? We might see a couple. They're over there in the stream today. Way down there by the bridge that goes over towards the school. There's a whole flock of them there. And then there's another little group over this way that's probably eating some food and heading up that way. Oh, some just flew. I don't know if I caught that on the camera. But I have to be careful. I'm navigating this where the snow melts during the high noon and the early afternoon. Then it runs out of this snowbank and runs down, and you get little streaks of ice that are real slick. So you have to pay attention a little bit here. See that? But we're right in this little town, and it's nice to have a place they try to keep clear for people who walk. And there's quite a bit of kids. There's an area up there that has quite a bunch of kids that when they walk down through here to get to school, which is over through those trees there next to that stream. And this is the other end of what I call the dream stream that's out in back of where I live. So during the winter months, this is one of the places I can walk in town that they keep pretty well clear. If it's snowing, they'll be like the next day, they'll clear it out. Like I said, the children use it a lot to get over to school. And then it's actually an official walking path, so that they try to keep that clear. And it makes maybe a little over a 2-mile circle if you follow the whole thing. It cuts right through the middle of town down into pretty close to the the downtown section. And this is getting really icy here. I think I'm going to hop up on this sled trail. The sledding trail is for snowmobilers, and cross-country skiers use it. And when it's that thick of ice down there, I don't think, maybe you can see the shininess of it. That's all just glare ice. So we're just going to walk up here a little ways. The nice thing is you can hear those sledders coming way before they get here. So you can go. Out of the way. Scoot, scoot. Some more of the trees around here. There's a big hill. And then up to the top of that is actually, believe it or not, a little golf course. Little club up there. Yep. And there's that. And I have in between the sled trail, which in the warmer months is the ATV four-wheeler trail. And then the walking path here, they put a bunch of flowers in. There's an amazing lady that weeds them and transplants and breaks up the big clusters and spreads them all along this trail. Hat tip to you. She's very friendly, very busy. She has a little riding lawnmower with a cart that she can bring her stuff around with. Now this is still very icy here. So we'll stay up here on this for a second more before we hop down. Hello, Mr. Crow. They always keep an eye on you. See him in there? One down, and this one up higher. They often travel in pairs and warn each other if somebody's approaching. Oh, I see the mountain. I wish I could zoom a little better with this, but right there, Mount Katahdin. See that? Lots of snow up there still too. Of course, we got plenty of snow up right down here. Mount Katahdin, that's the northernmost end of the Appalachian Trail. Starts down in Georgia and then ends right there. See the light starting to, the sunrise is starting to reflect off the top of it. Probably can see it a little bit in there. So, well, I just wanted to show you, wanted to share with you some of the walk this morning and the beauty of getting out into nature and just observing, just pausing to look at some of the beauty. And like I say, it can be right in the middle of a town. It could be like a park. It could be a walking trail like what's here. Or the deeper wilderness. It's a little bit that way, all around Mount Katahdin. That's wild up there. So thanks for watching, and subscribe and give me a thumbs up and help this channel to keep reaching out to folks. And that's what it's all about, is trying to get this information out to people and teach them to get back, in harmony with what God says our lives are meant to be. So, thanks for watching, and check out right below this video, there's a link that will get you a free guide to help keep your family and yourself strong and keep your immune system powerful, and it will help you to find out about some herbs and plants that are all around us, folks. They're all around us. And you can harvest them. Make tea out of some of them, and it's like an immune system booster. Vitamins A, C, all kinds of strengthening stuff. So go ahead and sign up for the free guide, and also get on my newsletter, get my free newsletter, and we'll be able to stay in touch that way. So just remember, God loves you, folks. You're the apple of the Creator of all things, I. And He says you're beautiful and wondrously made. And so you know what? Go ahead and listen to what He says, because it's the truth, and the truth is setting us free. Yay truth, yay freedom, and yay Papa. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye. Have a great day. One more look around. Where's the sun? Oh, it's kind of behind some clouds right now. All right. Have a good day. See you soon.